Interior design has a profound impact on a person's soul, emotional climate, and character. RAK Interiors believes in creating quality spaces for the world. Our expansive factory near Kochi, being one of the biggest in South India, boasts advanced automated production equipments and skilled professionals. With 500 dedicated workers, we uphold our identity as an expert designer for your home interiors, committed to delivering superior products and services. RAK Interiors, headquartered in Kochi, leads with personalized client experiences, boasting showrooms across South India. At RAK, clients take the forefront. We are the only interior design company in South India that offers you 15 types of finishes and 1,000 plus color shades. We engage clients extensively to grasp their unique requirements, ensuring 100% customization and delivering precisely what they envision. At RAK Interiors, quality and trust define us. We provide a 10-year warranty on all our products, reflecting our commitment to excellence. Using premium materials and top-notch craftsmanship, we ensure lifelong satisfaction. RAK Interiors offers live 3D visualizations, allowing clients to experience the home virtually even before the work commences. RAK commits to customizing designs 100% to fulfill client expectations, creating customer-centric dimensions based on their dreams and requirements. Our unique designs set industry standards, inspired by high-quality materials and advanced German technology. Our designs have set the standards and serve as an inspiration for many others in the interior design industry. RAK Interiors, with extensive South India connectivity, assures timely delivery through an exclusive team. At RAK Interiors, we prioritize punctuality, ensuring timely service delivery regardless of location or client requirements throughout the process.
We have completed numerous projects since 2011, and we have always kept our promises of quality. Now that we have been delivering across boundaries for years, our team is well capable of handling clients from across the globe. The biggest strengths are derived from the biggest challenges, and we at RAK see an opportunity in every challenge. Being part of an industry that demands customization at multiple levels, we see these growing demands as an opportunity to utilize our expertise and the skill of our workforce to create 100% customized designs and output. Putting all this together, we have been able to provide our clients with the home of their dreams, and sometimes even beyond.
In our incredible journey, our clientele has been our core strength, standing by us through all times. At RAK Interiors, we serve every client with dedication, striving to bring their dreams to life, no matter how simple or unique. Being your choice in expert home interior design matters most, and we at RAK Interiors offer the one thing all are after: perfection. Because perfect things are meant to last for a lifetime. RAK, an expert designer for your home interiors.